Well, I'm a garage door man. I drive a pickup truck. I got a ladder on my rack and lots of extra track. Some folks say I got the garage door knack.
It's what he likes to do, calls it his thing.
There ain't no door that I can't hang.
Kick it up now, boys. Here we go.
Well, I'm a garage door man. I like to have my fun. I like to drink a little brew, shoot a little pool, dance with the ladies like a gall darn fool.
But when it's time to rock, he'll be coming round the block
with every dang door you want in stock.
But today he's taking his crew out on the road.
I'm gonna hang out with my bros, catch a country music show at the IDA in the Grand Ole Expo.
That ain't bad. Let's do it again.
Well, I'm a garage door salesman. That's why I make big bucks. Well, I can sell it all. You just give me a call. I'll do what I can to make a door install.
It's what he likes to do. He calls it his thing.
There ain't no deal that I can't swing.
Well, today he's got his crew out on the road.
I'm working 24/7. It's my little piece of heaven. It's the IDA and the Grand Ole Expo.
All right now, time for a little line dancing. Open up that garage door. Pull your truck in. Oh, that's looking fine. Way bye-bye now.
Well, I'm a smooth operator, but I'll have to catch you later. It's the IDA and the Grand Ole Expo.
Here we go now. One more time.
Well, I'm a garage door man, but I've been working too hard. The work's a little tough and the job's a little rough. At the end of the day, man, I've had enough.
He's gonna take some R&R, grab his hat and his guitar.
Heading down to Nashville, I'm a garage door star.
Today he's got his crew out on the road.
Sitting tall and sitting pretty, living large in Music City at the IDA and the Grand Ole Expo. Well, I'm a garage door man. Yes, I am. Well, I'm a garage door man. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm a garage door man. And I got a garage door for you, too.
Right in the middle, Sean. I'd say that worked pretty good, didn't it?